Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. Let me move this thing. It's off center. Alright, a few more things I didn't show you. It's the second, kind of a really tiny haul. I've got creamer on the bed. I've got Meow Mix cups on the bed. I've got toilet paper on the bed. I got Blue Wilderness tasty salmon flavor cat treats, and I got kitty cravings, blue kitty cravings with real tuna. So the kitties will love those. And I want to show you this. This is not from the haul, but this is something I've had for a long time, and I dug it out of a drawer the other day. This is my old Frankenstein stamp mouse pad, and it still is pretty good after all these years. I got this on eBay a long time ago. See along from the price of the stamp. It's based in the actual stamp. And we'll put that down. And then I'm going to talk about something else after this mini haul here. And then I got another one of these from Fry's today, because the cords behind me keep getting caught into the chair and things keep being pulled off the bookcase. So I got the giant Shaxson 4-feet power strip with 12 outlets. So I'll go in the hallway some point tonight, tomorrow probably. And then finally I went and bought NCIS, the 6th season. And I took Kathy to bought her lunch, and we went shopping. So that's what I did today. All right. This is George Senda. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. What is wrong with my nose here? I don't know. I scratched my nose somewhere. And have a great evening and stay safe out there. And I will catch you in another video. I'm rather tired. It's been a long, hot day. It was 72 today at one point on the Prius. I told Kathy, don't run the air conditioner immediately. Give it 2 minutes or so to rev the engine up, and then it'll be nice and cool, and it was. But I had a horrible day today with my sinuses and drainage, because it's just bronchitis last night and a fever. I'm over that now. I'm over the fever, not the bronchitis, but hopefully I'll have a better night than I did last night. Okay, catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.